Yeah.
Hey guys, I normally don't do videos on engines. I normally do them on preventative maintenance, things like that. I'm going to do a real short video. A lot of times you'll have main bearings go out in your engine, or a rod bearing. You'll lose oil pressure. You may have to replace your oil pump because it's unfiltered oil going in there. A lot of the metal will go up there. It's just a degenerating process. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how to actually install a main bearing without removing the crankshaft. And we're going to use a cotter pin to do it. This is an old technique, still used today. So I'm going to remove this journal number 2 right here and show you how to use a cotter pin to get the bearing out. Okay, of course this bearing is easily replaced. It does have a tab right here that prevents it from spinning. And this bearing will come right out. You can really see the tab right here. And you can see the channel where the tab of the bearing actually rides. Now if we look a little closer at the other bearing, it's on the other side. And it does also have a tab. So I am going to show you now how to remove the inner bearing without removing the crankshaft. So we're going to take a cotter key, deform it, then I'm going to open it up a little bit. And I will be placing this in the oil galley of the crankshaft. This one I know works. Let me grab this one. And let me put on my glasses. Okay. Okay, the tab is located here, which means I will have to rotate the crankshaft in the opposite direction to make this happen. So I'm going to insert the cotter pin into the oil gallery. See, right about there. And then I'm going to rotate the crankshaft on the other side to where this cotter pin pushes on the bearing and it will roll the bearing out. Now you want to make sure when you do this that you're not actually scratching the block. It should only grab the bearing. And I'm going to do it very quick. Okay, our bearing is out.